This is Sierra Blanca Country Club, a hidden oasis deep in the mountains of Andalusia, surrounded by complete and utter tranquility. A perfect getaway from the busiest streets and scenes, but close enough to all the venues and activities that the city has to offer. We are simply in the ideal spot in order to enjoy the best of both worlds. And here, we welcome you to one of the few homes in this 24-hour gated community. And the scenic beauty surrounding it just might take your breath away. Before we open the doors to what very well may be your next vacation experience, I would like to tell you a little about where on earth we are. Literally. Welcome to Marbella, the pride and joy of the Malaga province of Andalusia, in the southern parts of Spain. Less than a 40-minute drive away is Malaga International Airport, where you most likely will arrive prior to your visit. In the foothills of the mountain Sierra Blanca lies Marbella, the second largest city in the province, with over 130,000 residents. Marbella boasts the best climate in Europe, with temperatures between 16 and 30 degrees and less than 50 days rainfall a year. Once a small fishing village, Marbella is now a luxury international tourist destination. Its old charm can still be seen in the old town, with its narrow streets and historic buildings. With its stunning 12-kilometer-long seafront promenade, filled with tropical gardens, countless cafes, tapas bars, pubs and stellar restaurants, you won't find it hard to enjoy life to the fullest. The mood will simply decide when the evening shall end, since Marbella's dazzling night scene surely won't disappoint anyone who aims for a night filled with excitement. Marbella's main marina, Puerto Banús, is famous for its luxury yachts, cars, international restaurants and designer stores. With over 15 world-class golf courses, Marbella is also a golfer's paradise. When the time comes and the need to retire from the busiest scenes that Marbella has to offer, you simply drive about 10 minutes up the mountain. La Concha, the highest peak in Marbella, protects the area from northerly winds, giving it a unique microclimate. The scenic backdrop of La Concha on one side and the stunning views of Marbella and the Rio Verde on the other concludes the magic exterior surrounding Sierra Blanca Country Club. Just a few steps down the stairs from the pool area is what we want to show you most of all. Back to where we began, with this lovely home in this brand new community. With one terrace on each side of the house, you can fully enjoy the sun or shade at any time during the day. The front steps up to the house will lead you to the main entrance. Once inside, a narrow hallway will take you to the heart of the home. A living room with dining possibilities and large enough furniture for up to 8 people. Hidden in the couch are 2 sofa beds that our guests are welcome to use. On the far side of the living room are the sliding doors that will take you to the furnished lounging area, aiming towards the stunning Rio Verde. On the same floor, there is a restroom, as well as a fully equipped kitchen. From here is where you will access the outside dining area. If you wish, there is a grill fully prepared for your enjoyment. A stairway will lead you down to the second floor. Here is where you'll find the 3 bedrooms, for up to 6 people to stay in. All bedrooms have 2 detachable beds and plenty of closet space. On the same floor, there are 2 bathrooms, one equipped with a shower stall and the other with a bathtub, along with underfloor heating and double sinks. The master bedroom has its own terrace. Here is where you will want to round up your day, in a massaging hot tub suited for up to 6 people. Relax comfortably while the sun sets behind the mountains. And this, my friends, concludes the story of Marbella, Sierra Blanca Country Club, and this unique home. We welcome you to come and visit and see this magical place as your future home away from home. A getaway whenever you wish, in order to enjoy life to the fullest. We hope to see you soon.